Hello, and welcome to Module 2, where we will focus on student-centered learning. We're going to use modules to control student progress, organize content, make learning sequential, and design content that will be compatible with users' mobile devices. To do all this, we will utilize apps as they are integrated inside Canvas. So the first order of business is to operationally define the term app as it applies to a Canvas course. Typically, we think of apps as programs or applications on a mobile or smartphone device that perform a task or a function. Something like an email application, Facebook, or even a game like Candy Crush. So, those are what we're going to call mobile apps. And there is an app for Canvas in mobile. This app is really best suited for student use. It's not really a tool where we would recommend instructors use it to create content. However, there is another app called SpeedGrader that instructors absolutely love to use when grading. Canvas also has an app called Magic Marker, and then another one called Teacher Tools and Polls. Those apps will get some more attention at a later time in this course. For now, Canvas and SpeedGrader should probably be added to your device, your mobile device, if it hasn't already. And you should probably get to know them, explore them, and play around and see the different settings. The other type of app that we're going to look at that we can use when we are in Canvas is called an LTI app, or an external tool that works within Canvas as a supplement to the learning management system. LTIs, don't be afraid, simply mean learning tools interoperability. So a tool or a piece of software that is created elsewhere and works in many different platforms. These tools can be added to the course navigation in Canvas. So we would see them on this side here. And we have experience from the beginning Canvas training session with a tool called Public Resources. Public Resources allow instructors to embed content directly into their course without having to go out and pull that content from another site. Here are some course navigation apps that are like the publisher. So we have MyLab and Mastering, and it's a link right here in the course navigation that students can access. And again, it'll take them right to their textbook integration without leaving Canvas. Another one is just another page, another example of publisher content where students click onto a link in the course navigation and it takes them to their publisher page. There are also links that you can put inside a module that would take you to that application. So here's an accounting course, and the link in the module will take them to their textbook content outside of Canvas. The tool that we're going to be using in this module is called Canva Badges, and it's an application that can be added to your Canvas course through the settings page, and it will help create, or will help show you how to create badges inside Canvas. So students can receive a badge for the completion of an assignment, a completion of a unit, or completion of the entire course. And as the instructor, you have the power to determine the milestones or activities that are worthy of being awarded a badge. So the beauty of using the module structure is that it provides a logical place to organize course content into a streamlined location. And then at the conclusion of the module, you have the perfect opportunity to acknowledge students' mastery of skills by awarding them a badge. And then I want to also mention the Rich Content Editor apps. This is the one that I was talking about called Public Resources, and it is in the beginning Canvas training course. and it allows you to pull content from YouTube, TEDx, Vimeo, SchoolTube, Khan Academy, and even Quizlet without actually leaving your Canvas course. So as you're developing this, you can click on this little book and it'll take you to here. You type in whatever your search is, and then you should be able to embed a video player right there without ever leaving your course. And so this is public resources. I will show you in another video how to actually put these into your Canvas course. But I wanted you to understand that the differences between the two different types of apps. One app is a mobile app, and then the other type is the LTI apps that work inside of Canvas. Khan Academy is another video streaming place. And then the other place you may see assignment apps is in, the other place you may see apps is within the assignment. So when you're creating an assignment, you have this checkbox here to enable Turnitin submissions. And Turnitin is a tool that will give you a plagiarism score on your student submissions. And so that's an app that's added into Canvas that performs a certain task, in this case plagiarism scores. And then we're also going to look at another tool called DropThought, and this is a simple review kind of at the end of a module, asking students to rate how they thought the module went or how the course content went. And we'll go through that in another time. There is a video here showing you how to add the external LTI apps, and that's what we're going to focus on next. So to recap, there are apps that are on a mobile device, and Canvas has its own slew of mobile device apps. There are also apps, when we use that term, apps that are inside Canvas, tools that work inside Canvas. So hopefully we will move on to the next phase and add some LTI tools.